Hi guys, this is Aarti and on today's recipe I'm going to show you how to make paneer pav bhaji. It is one of the most popular street food item and it is pretty easy to make. The first thing you have to take all the vegetables in a pressure cooker and cook it for 2 to 3 whistles. Here I'm using broccoli, cauliflower, potato and carrots. And next thing is you have to finely chop the onions, capsicum, tomato, green chilies and heat some oil in a pan. Add in some cumin seeds and let them splutter. Now add in onions, capsicum and green chilies and saute this till the onion sweats down and gets a little bit cooked. Now add in some ginger garlic paste and cook it for 1 to 2 minutes till the raw smell leaves from it. Now it's almost done. It's time to add in your chopped tomatoes. Make sure the tomatoes are very ripe so it gives nice taste to it. Add in salt so the tomatoes cook much faster. I added a little bit turmeric powder for some color. Now cook this till the tomatoes soften and kind of gets mushy. So this is how it looks. Now add in your pav bhaji masala powder. This is my homemade recipe. You can check it in my blog or I will link in the description box below. I added some water so the masala powder doesn't burn. So now the masala is almost done. Add in your cooked vegetables along with any liquid in the pressure cooker and take your potato masher or a spatula and lightly press it and mash it completely just like this. So now the color is little bit dull, so I added some Kashmiri chili powder for some color. So now give this good mix. Finally you have to add in some chopped paneer pieces. Add in very finely chopped ones. Mix it and simmer this for 5 to 10 minutes. That's it, your pav bhaji masala is done. And that is your coriander leaves. I'm adding lots of it. You can add in some lemon juice as well. Now let's see how to serve this pav bhaji. Heat up some butter in a pan and take a single portion of or some little amount of the masala and cook it in the butter till it gets nice and piping hot. Melt some more butter on the side and place your cut open pav buns in it and toast it till it is nice and golden. So when serving, top the pav bhaji with some generous amount of butter and that's it, your pav bhaji masala is done. Try it out and let me know how it turns out.